Hey everybody, this is Jeff from the library, and today we're going to talk about how to put a report from Statista into MLA format if you're going to cite it in a paper. And it's a little tricky. This is one of the trickier databases to cite. I've kind of put together an example earlier, which we're going to kind of follow. What you want to find on these reports is you want to find out who the original publisher of the report is, because Statista just republishes, or they take these usually government reports, sometimes from, well, they come from all over. I find a lot of government reports in there. They'll take a report published by someone else and then boil it down into an easy to read statistic in the database. So what I usually do, I put the original publisher of the data as the author. Then I put the title of the report in Statista in italics, the year it was published, colon, then Statista as the database, that's going to be in italics, web because you found it online, and the date that you accessed it. So that's going to be kind of what we go off of here. Let me open up our thing we're looking at. I did a search for manufacturing, and I'm looking at this statistic for number of employees in U.S. manufacturing from 1990 to 2010 in millions. I'm going to use that as my title, okay? But first I'm going to look for an author. So it tells me in this database, it'll tell you here the source, the Bureau of Labor Statistics. There's a lot of those. I think it actually is published on the Census Bureau. Survey by the Bureau of Labor Statistics, published by the U.S. Census Bureau. I'm probably going to go with an author, Bureau of Labor Statistics. So I'm going to copy that. Unfortunately, there isn't a citation generator on here like there are on other ones. So I'm going to put that in. It has the same author as the other one. Do a space here. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to pull the title. I'm going to paste this in, and in the same format as the other one, I'm going to put that in italics. Then I'm going to check it over for capitalization. All the important words should be capitalized here. So that E on employees should be capitalized. Manufacturing should definitely be capitalized. And I would capitalize millions. Okay. I'd put a period at the end here and then take italics off. And I think this is probably from 2012. Let's take a look here. And the release date was September 2011, so we could put 2011 here. We're going to put that in parentheses, then put a colon. Statista is the database we pulled this from. Put a period. We're going to put Statista in italics. Okay, take italics off. Space web, because we got this off the web, and then today it's still the 11th of October, and you put that in that format like that. So that's basically how you do this. If it's not already in this format with the indentation, the hanging indent and double spaced, you could highlight it, go up here to paragraph, put it into a hanging indent, 0.5 margin, set it to double spacing, and don't add extra space. It's already matching the earlier format I had. Let's see if we can grab another one here. Let me go back here, scroll up a little bit. This one looks interesting. Employment in U.S. manufacturing during recessions. Let me open up that. This is their next suggested report they have for me here. Again, it's from the Bureau of Labor Statistics. So we do the same thing here. Look for the author, survey by, and a lot of these are going to be from government reports. Put that in there. I just kind of, because I'm doing kind of employment things here, it's all kind of hitting that. You'll certainly find different publishers in here. But scroll up here. Just when you're looking for an author, go down here, survey by. Okay, and I am going to pull the title of the statistic that I'm looking at in Statista for the title of my report here. Okay, I'm going to put that in italics. Put a period at the end, and then let's capitalize everything that should be capitalized, all the important words. Okay, let's go back here, take italics off. I'm going to be putting a year in here. Let's go back and see what year this is from. Release date April 2011. About 2011. An end parenthesis, colon, the name of my database I pulled this from, Statista, with a period. Oops, period. I'm going to put this in italics. Take the italics off, do a space, web, and then the date I accessed it in this kind of a format. Okay, so that's the basics of my take. there may be different opinions on this. This is how I would put a report from Statista into an MLA format for my citations on my works cited page in an MLA paper. So contact me in the library if you have any questions with this.